video will show you how to connect and set EJ smart battery monitor. First, we have to check the Bluetooth name. It will have a label on the side of the Bluetooth monitor here. And open the app, searching list, find the corresponding Bluetooth, this one, and connect it. After connection, it will jump to the first page. And for the first connection, we have to set the basic setting on the second page. And for example, this connection we use is a 12 volt 100 amps lithium iron phosphate battery. And a soft reminder, we have to fully charge the battery or fully discharge the battery for the first connection. The battery we use is fully charged, so let's set the basic setting. The related capacity is 100 and output voltage is 10 volts. Full battery voltage is 40.6 volts. Capacity remaining, because it is a fully charged battery, so it is 100 amps. If it is an empty battery, it should be 0 amps. And the Duke components is 100 for lithium battery. If your connection is a lead-acid battery, it should be 125. And after setting, or is setting well, we have to save setting on the button. And back to the first page, we can see the battery situation. And that is all the connection and setting for the